Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are using the hands down best dressed two World Wars, I think, American battleship. Our sister ship served Pearl Harbor, which I don't know why they didn't add her. They had all the other New York classes. USS Texas, USS New York, I think USS Wyoming. I think it was South Carolina's a bit. 1910, 14, 1912, 14, 1916, and 1916. So Arizona's, I think, if I'm being honest with you, Arizona's newer than the oldest ship is South Carolina. Yeah, it's an oldie. But yeah, obviously, the two best warships ever. Personally, I like her. Deal with it. Alright, love you, strangers. I do not know anymore, 'cause I am blind to the light. Alright, you love rambling. There you go. Alright. Oh my god. Jason Bourne. Alright. I need to check this does see who is torps. So, Tiger, I always call it Tiger off. Dyslexic. Everybody else has torps. So, I need to be out in the open. That's where I need to be. Alright, even though most...
Awaiting instructions!
Like...
Good luck, everyone.
You too. Alright,
Good luck and fair seas.
this game is currently being recorded. Please die. I don't know. Go HU, you change the freaking optics. If you guys like. Back to chasing bars. We're gonna run back in my day. There's a bunch of sissy boys. And I usually start shooting once I'm detected. I'm detected. That was on purpose, but my positioning was on accident. I didn't mean to go up that far. That's good. If you look at the map, it's kind of and there, no subs. Oh, so hit the wrong button.
Our team is taking the lead.
that's good. He's not looking at me, so I need to do it. Switch over here. Make sure that you constantly change your speed and direction. Well, if there's no more battleships. And this one has torpedoes. One of fighting has torpedoes. And he could hit me at 8 kilometers, which he can still hit me if I keep my course. And that looks like night lights out for him. Others that I'm not gonna be able to reach. What the heck is he doing? So about 8 seconds. Hopefully none of that hit that mountain. Yeah, looks like 2. Ah, come on. A little faster. I should have waited. That's the thing too. You gotta be very patient, because now I missed the opportunity to actually take them out. Yeah. Yep. And this guy over here. See, this is why this is the best ship. Well,
yes, sir!
massive. I do love Wyoming, just because she has lots of guns, and she's stubborn, so let's use her. We have about 3 hours of like premium time or whatever. So. It's what is. Somebody say. Somebody say. I'm adopted. Alright. Wyoming. I live in after Wyoming. Everybody else has torts. Okay. You guys can hear that.
General quarters.
Getting that fixed. It's just probably a tool that we use. Oh yeah, if you hit the letter N, or I'm sorry, the key N, that's the point. That is my AA system. I think it would be through audio. I don't know if mine is not. I think that's so what I want to do is scream as loud as I can. Mike, 3, 2, 1, I don't know why I have AP runs, but he's gonna go with that because he's PUBG. Usually I like stand my ground right here and just go. Clip me so hard, he's gonna kill that guy. Take revenge. Yeah, he's screwed. Alright. Catch you back there. Oh, well, that's a long. There you go.
Enemy cruiser destroyed.
That scared the heck out of me.
Our victory is in
squishy.
sight.
Very vulnerable. Okay, yeah, this guy over here.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Okay, well, I need to go.
Autopilot mode disabled.
So, wait a minute, even though. I really could use the armor. Because, yeah, and that destroyer is gonna take a nice ammo. So check out this guy. Now, he might release some torpedoes like he did. Which hopefully I could get it nice clear window. This opportunity. So we'll take him out right here. Just take your time. Don't worry about those torpedoes. Just take your time. I feel like it's squeezing in. Oh yeah. I got a bet. I got 2 badges. It's alright. Aircraft carrier is screwed now.